HubSpot CMS and WordPress with Elementor are both popular choices for agencies building client websites. They both offer visual editing, customizable designs, and the ability to scale with growing businesses. But they take very different approaches. One is built to be an all-in-one growth platform, and the other is built for flexible customization with thousands of design and plugin options. Understanding the difference can help agencies choose the right foundation for their workflow, pricing model, and client needs. HubSpot CMS is designed as part of a unified marketing and sales platform. This means the website, the customer relationship management system, analytics, email marketing, automation, and lead tracking are all connected in one place. For agencies that focus on inbound marketing, conversions, or data-driven growth, this creates a streamlined environment. You can build landing pages, track leads, create email campaigns, and measure behavior without jumping between different tools. The editor is simple to use, and security and hosting are handled automatically. That reduces maintenance work for agencies because clients will not need extra plugin updates or security patching. The main value of HubSpot CMS is the efficiency of having everything under one system. It is especially strong when the goal of the website is to generate qualified leads and track business outcomes. WordPress with Elementor offers a different kind of power. WordPress is the most widely used website platform in the world because of its flexibility. Elementor is a visual design builder that makes WordPress much easier to use, allowing agencies to create custom website layouts without writing code. Together, they give agencies creative freedom to build almost any style or structure. The plugin ecosystem is enormous, meaning if you need something specific, there is almost always a plugin for it. This makes WordPress with Elementor ideal for agencies that prioritize design control, unique branding, or custom functionality. It can work for small business sites or large feature-heavy builds. However, with that flexibility comes more responsibility. Agencies must manage hosting, updates, plugin compatibility, backups, and security concerns. Some agencies even use both platforms depending on project type. HubSpot CMS for clients who want marketing results with less ongoing technical management. WordPress with Elementor for clients who want design-forward or fully customized website experiences. The best choice depends on how your agency works and what your clients value most. HubSpot CMS simplifies growth-focused websites. WordPress with Elementor maximizes creative freedom. Both are strong, but they serve different agency strengths.